Hello, first graders. My name is Miss Ramirez, and today we're going to be learning a little bit more about addition and subtraction. Does anyone remember what addition and subtraction is? Let's think. Cool, good idea. So addition is when you're joining something, and subtraction is when you're taking it away, right? You're separating it. Great. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to learn a little bit more vocab about addition and subtraction. So this is the addition and subtraction strategies vocab. This is the assignment that you have for today on STEM Scopes. So we're gonna go ahead and review it, and then you're gonna go ahead and review it again after this video and complete your assignment. The first one is add. So you're gonna take 1 strawberry plus 1 strawberry equals 2 strawberries. So you are adding. When you are joining something together, you are adding. Then subtract. You have 3 dogs and you take away 1 dog. So you are subtraction. You're taking it away. You're separating it. Total. Total is how much you have of something. So here we have 4 ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the total. So the total number of ducks is 4. How much we have all together. Then sum. Sum is the answer when we add. So you have 2 balls plus 3 soccer balls equals 5 balls. So this is the sum. The sum is the total when you add. Oops. Difference. Different is with subtraction. So you have 3 giraffes. You take away 1 giraffe. And you have 2. So the number 2 is the difference. Making a 10 and build a 10. So we're going to be practicing this later on. But these are 10 frames. So if you have 8 blue circles and 7 red circles, it equals the same thing as if you have 5 red on one side and 2 on the other side, and then 8 on just one side. So this is the same thing as this because you have the same amount of red and blue circles. Doubles. Doubles. So you have 1 10 frame that has 3 blue circles and another 10 frame that has 3 red circles. That is the same thing as 1 10 frame that has 3 red and 3 blue. So this equals this. Counting forward. When you count forward, you are on a number line. And you have a starting number and you're counting forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you counted forward 6 times to get 18. Count on. This is when you can turn a number line into an equation. So you start at the number 4 and you count forward 3. 1, 2, 3. So you have 3 boxes. So it's 4 plus 3 equals 7. Or if you count from 4 and you count 3, you land on the number 7. That is count on. Count backward. It's the same thing, you just start at a number and you just count backwards on the number line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you land in the number 15. So you're just counting backwards. Count back. Same thing, but you just use the numbers for an equation. So you start at the number 9 and you count backwards 1, 2, 3 boxes, and you land on the number 6. So 9 minus 3 equals 6. Because when you count back 3, you land on the number 6. Solve. This is what we do with every word problem and every equation. You solve. So 2 balloons plus 4 purple balloons. What is the number? What's the total? You are solving that problem. And equal. Equal is when you have the same amount of an object. So this person has 3 balloons, 1, 2, 3, and this one has 3 balloons, 1, 2, 3. So they are equal. So that is our vocab for today. And like I said, in the picture vocabulary, we're going to be practicing doing math equations with 10 frames. So let's go ahead and get started. I went ahead and drew my 10 frames, and we're going to be solving this equation using our 10 frames. So our 10 frames are called 10 frames because they each have little boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They each have 10 boxes. That's why it's called a 10 frame. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna look at this problem. So it says a plus 6. And we're gonna pick 2 colors for our circles. Or what y'all will use in school are called counters. So we're going to go ahead and pick yellow for the number 8 and red for the number 6. So we have yellow circles for 8 and red circles for 6. So how many yellow circles are there? There's 8, right? So we're going to go ahead and draw 8 circles. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. So now we're going to go ahead and draw 6 red circles because we have 6 red circles. So we have 2 boxes left. So we're gonna fill these boxes. 1, 2, then go to the next 10 frame. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Perfect. So we are joining these 2 together, right? We're joining these yellow counters with these red counters. So we're gonna go ahead and count them to find our sum. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So our sum is 14. So we have 8 yellow counters plus 6 red counters equals 14. That's the sum. Great job, y'all. So then we're also going to go ahead and see another problem. So if you want to go ahead and separate this 10 frame with this 10 frame, you can do that as well. So what that looks like is you have 8 circles, right? So we're gonna put 8. And then you have 8 yellow circles. You have 2 red. And then on this other 10 frame, you have 4 red. So I'm gonna go ahead and write it in black so y'all can see it a little bit better. 8 plus 2 plus 4 equals. So you have 8 yellow circles. You have 2 red circles on this 10 frame, and the next 10 frame you have 4 red circles. So 8 plus 2 plus 4, that is the same sum. It has the same sum of 14. So 8 plus 2 plus 4 equals 14. These are equal to each other. 8 plus 6 equals 14, and 8 plus 2 plus 4 equals 14. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and try a subtraction problem. So let's go ahead and put up here in our other 10 frame, subtraction. Or you'll also hear it separating. Because when you are subtraction, you are taking away. You are separating it from the total. So our problem for subtraction is going to be 15 minus 7. So 15 minus 7, we are trying to find the difference. So again, we're going to use our counters. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the first number, 15. We're going to use red circles for 15. So let's draw out 15 red circles, excuse me. 2, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So we have 15 red circles. Okay, so let's look at our equation again. 15 minus 7. So what are we doing? We are taking away 7, right? We are separating 7 from 15. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put X's. So we are taking away 7, so we are going to put X's on 7 red circles. So come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. Okay. Now that we took away 7 circles, we need to find the difference. So what is the difference? However many red circles we have left, correct? Yeah. So let's go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 circles. So our difference is 8. So our equation again is we have 15 red circles and we separated 7 of them. So that's why we have X's on 7. Now we just need the difference. What is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's why we got 8. That is it for today's lesson. Hopefully you enjoyed making 10 frames with me and solving addition and subtraction problems. I will see y'all next time. Bye.